Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm on a mission to make Monday mornings fun. Let me show you how. So you've just signed up for ListingFlow and you have to add your first property. Simply click the Add My First Property button. Here you'll be brought to a view where you can fill out basic information about your property. Once you filled out this basic information, you have to upload a picture of your property. Next, we decide if we want a kiosk mode with our property, we want it to ask for phone numbers of prospective clients, and ask if they're already working with an agent. We can also customize the welcome message that shows up on the kiosk mode. For now, we'll stick with the default message. Then we launch our property. And there we go, our property is there in our properties view. Now we can click the property. We can see that currently we have no leads. So we launch the kiosk mode. This kiosk mode will show up on any device that you put at the open house and users can fill in their information just like so. And then when they're done, they can submit it. And then you thank them for submitting and the kiosk mode opens again. Now we can see that the information of the new lead has been added. Ashley Forrest, email, phone number. If the leads do not want to use a kiosk mode, they can use a QR code that they can scan and it will bring them to a similar view to the kiosk mode but on their own personal device and they can choose to fill it out there. If you still want to add manual leads, you can still do so like here, it's perfectly fine. But if you have a paper sign-in sheet and you find that works better for you, we can still save you time. Instead of having to look at handwritings in paper sheets, you can just upload your paper sheet from your computer or your device and it will automatically scan the paper sheet and add all your leads to your current existing leads. So now we've gone from 1 lead to 10 leads, which means 9 leads were added from our paper sign-in sheet. Automatically recognize the names, emails, and phone numbers that were written and added it to our logbook. Now that I've shown you how ListingFlow can save you hours of work every week, let me show you how it can be the beginning of the closing process. As you've noticed, there's an email template button. When you click this email template button, you'll be brought to this view. This is where you can craft a template for follow-up emails. The property address and the name of the client will be automatically added from the information that you've provided in the listing of your property and the information that was provided when the lead was added into the logbook. Your own information can also be customized so that it automatically sends with your information there. What this does is, once you go to a lead and you click their name and you choose to email them a follow-up soon after the open house, it automatically opens your email with the filled-in subject line, details about the property and you thanking them for coming. And then you can put your information here within the template that will automatically be here when you click send email. For now, we're not going to send the email. Now we can go to our lead view where we can see all our leads in one place. These leads can be sorted according to property. For now, we only have one property, so all our leads are actually the same as the property leads. On here, we can change the status of a lead. For example, if we followed up, we can say we followed up with James. And then if we have notes to take on James that we remember from our open house or even a private tour, we can say, oh, James lives alone, has a dog, wants a pool, and any other relevant information that James may have told you that you'd like to take note of. This helps you to personalize any communications, whether it be through phone or emails. It's nice to just keep track of things that clients told you. You can easily also export all your leads by CSV, Excel, or PDF. So, ListingFlow not only saves you hours of manual data entry every week, it helps you keep track of leads, never makes you lose another hot lead, and helps you close listings faster than you've ever closed them before. Thank you for watching the demo. If you've liked this product, please feel free to click the sign up link below.